Everybody stop shouting and look! The dinner is at 6:30. We need to leave by 6.
Plenty of time.
Harry, wear the blue shirt. The nice one. Do I have to? It's uncomfortable. It's Grandpa's birthday. We dress nice.
Fine. Can I wear my red dress?
Of course. You look beautiful in it.
I know.
I'll get the car ready. We have 1 hour. Relax, Julie.
I am relaxed.
You don't look relaxed.
Just be ready at 6. For once, let's be on time.
We'll be on time, I promise.
Ready?
Almost. Let me get the keys. Julie? Where are the car keys?
In the bowl, where they always are.
They're not here.
Check again.
I'm looking right at it. The bowl is empty.
That's not possible. You put them there every night.
I know. But they're not here.
Check the kitchen counter.
It's not here. Not here!
Check your pockets.
Nothing.
Where did you put them last night?
In the bowl. I always put them in the bowl.
Clearly not last night.
I'm telling you, I put them in the bowl.
They have to be somewhere in this house.
I know they're somewhere. Everything is somewhere.
Don't be funny right now, James.
I'm not funny. I'm stressed.
What's going on?
We can't find the car keys.
Harry, did you play with my keys?
What? No!
Yesterday, you picked them up in the living room. I saw you.
I picked them up for 1 second. Then I put them back.
Where did you put them back?
On the table.
Which table?
The kitchen table.
They're not on the kitchen table, Harry.
Well, that's where I put them. Why is everyone shouting?
The keys are missing.
I don't have them. Nobody said you do. You were going to. You always blame me. I wasn't going to blame you.
16 minutes. James, this is your fault.
My fault?
You never put things in the right place. Last month, you lost your wallet for 3 days.
That was different.
2 weeks ago, you lost your phone.
I found my phone. It was in the car.
Exactly. Check the car.
The car is locked, Julie. I need the keys to check the car.
This is unbelievable. Think, James. Where were you when you came home yesterday?
I came through the front door. I put the keys in the bowl.
Did you? Or did you just think you did?
I remember it.
Maybe Issa moved them. I didn't touch them. You always move things. That was different.
Stop blaming each other and keep looking. Eight minutes, James.
Stop telling me the time.
Somebody in this house moved those keys.
It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
It wasn't me.
Well, it wasn't me. So who was it? Dad?
What?
What about your coat?
What about it?
You checked your pants. Did you check your coat?
No. Are you serious?
They were in my coat.
The coat you've been wearing this whole time?
Yes.
Dad, you accused me. We destroyed the whole house.
I'm sorry. I blamed everyone. And they were in my pocket.
Your pocket, James. Your pocket. What? Wait, what does this even mean? The dinner. Grandpa Miro's birthday dinner.
What about it?
It's next Saturday. Not today.
Next Saturday?
Next Saturday. We're a week early.
A week early?
We destroyed the house, blamed each other, fought, and the dinner is next week.
That about sums it up.
And I put on my nice dress for nothing.
And I wore this uncomfortable shirt for nothing.
So, we have a whole week. Who wants to clean this up?
Hello, Harry. Hello, Isa. Welcome to our house.
Hello, Grandma. Hello, Grandpa. We are very happy to see you.
Hello, my kids. Sit down. Have some cookies.
Miro and I made fresh chocolate cookies today.
Yummy! I love your cookies, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma. They smell delicious.
I need to work in the garden now.
I will water the flowers too.
Can I help you, Grandma?
Yes, Isa. Let us go to the garden.
I will stay inside and read my book.
Okay, Harry. Do not touch my tools.
I promise, Grandpa. Have fun. What is this? An old pocket watch? It belongs to Grandpa. It is very beautiful. Oh no. It slipped. I dropped it. The glass is broken. Grandpa will be very angry. I am afraid. What should I do? I must hide it. Yes, I will hide it. What if Grandpa finds out? He will ask me. I need to hide. I do not want him to see me.
That was good work in the garden. Now, where is my watch?
My pocket watch is not on the shelf.
Did you leave it here, Miro?
Yes. It is always on this shelf.
Maybe Harry knows. Where is Harry?
Harry? Harry, where are you?
Harry, come out. We are looking for you.
He is not in the living room.
Is he in the kitchen? Let us check.
No, he is not in the kitchen.
Is he in the bedroom? No, he is not in the bedroom.
Now I am worried. Where is my brother?
Harry, this is not funny. Come out!
Where could he be? The doors are locked.
Look at Godzilla. She is barking at the cupboard.
The old hallway cupboard?
Godzilla, what is inside? Why are you barking?
Harry, you are inside the cupboard.
Oh, my boy. Why are you hiding here?
I am sorry. I am so sorry.
What is wrong, Harry? Why are you crying?
I broke your pocket watch, Grandpa.
You broke my watch?
Yes. It was an accident. I was afraid.
So you hid the watch? And then you hid yourself?
Yes, I did not mean to break it.
It is okay, Harry. Do not cry anymore.
Harry, look at me. I am not angry.
You are not? But the watch is broken!
A watch can be fixed. We can buy new glass.
But trust is different, Harry.
Yes. It is always better to tell the truth.
I know. Hiding made me feel very scared.
When we make a mistake, we must say it.
We love you, Harry. The truth is always best.
Thank you, Grandpa. I promise to tell the truth.
Can we eat cookies now? I am hungry.
Yes, Isa. Let us go to the kitchen.
And I will help you wash the dishes, Grandpa.
That is a very good start, Harry.
First challenge. Walk to the bench without dropping the beanbag.
That is easy. Give me something difficult. Perfect! Harry is the bravest person in our class.
Put 2 stars there. I did not even use my hands.
Every time you finish one, they will ask for a bigger one.
That is how a challenge works. Bigger means more exciting.
Bigger can also mean less safe. It was only a beanbag. We are having fun. Second challenge. Sing one line from a silly song beside the bench.
Fine. But this stays between us. Of course. Start when you are ready.
I must ask you a question, but I'll shave it for later.
Done. Delete that now. Relax. It is funny, and you look confident.
Harry asked you to delete it. The joke belongs to him too.
Nobody will care about one tiny clip.
The class group loves it. They keep asking what you will do next.
They really think I am brave?
They saw 8 seconds. They do not know how you feel.
What is the next challenge?
I will stay with you, but I will not cheer for danger. Film it or hide it.
You worry about everything.
No. I notice when fun starts controlling the person doing it.
That was a warning. Your foot almost slipped. I stopped myself. I am fine. Exactly. Harry can handle pressure better than anyone.
Then he is ready for the final challenge. That wall? No. It is too high.
The class group is waiting for the biggest clip. Do you want them to think you were pretending?
I was not pretending. Then prove it. Climb up and jump into the court.
No. A safe challenge tests a skill with rules and supervision.
This is only a risk.
Issa is not on the list. Harry decides.
One final dare, then all the videos get deleted. If you need secrecy and a promise afterward, you already know it is wrong. Please do not tell Mom and Dad yet. I will finish quickly. The ground is uneven. Nobody should jump here. I am not helping this happen. I am marking where everyone must stay back. Leo, lower the phone. Without an audience, Harry can hear his own answer. Harry, do you want to jump? I wanted them to think I was brave. That was not my question. Do you want to jump?
Do you believe it is safe?
No, I can see the broken ground now.
Would you do it here alone, with no camera and nobody watching?
No, I would never choose this alone.
If you stop now, the final dare is a failure. No, climbing up was my mistake. Stopping is how I keep it from becoming worse. Everyone will say, you became scared. I am scared. Fear is giving me useful information. I do not owe anyone a dangerous proof.
Stay where you are. I am calling Dad so you can come down with help.
You are down and safe. We will discuss the choices at home.
First, I need to finish something here. Delete every video of me. I did not agree to share the singing clip, and I withdraw permission for the others.
If I delete them, people may stop talking about our challenge list.
Then they were interested in the danger, not in us.
I kept making the dares bigger because the last one stopped feeling exciting. That is the trap. Success does not end it. Success demands another risk.
They are deleted. I should have stopped when you asked the first time.
I am sorry I called your refusal a failure.
I accepted the pressure, and I hid the plan. I am going to tell my parents myself. I kept accepting dares because every video gave me more attention.
What changed your decision at the wall?
Issa removed the audience and asked what I truly wanted. My honest answer was no.
Refusing after you started was still the right choice. Calling for help was also responsible. Safety matters more than embarrassment or a video.
We need one sentence Harry can use before the pressure grows. I do not need to prove myself. I am not doing that.
Clear, short, and complete. You do not owe a debate after it. If someone keeps pushing after your answer, leave the group.